Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. Hi. In today's video I will show you how to set data limit on your internet, Wi-Fi connection. If you have limited plan, or you are sharing hotspot from your phone, and want to limit data you use over your laptop or PC, stick around and I will show you how to set that limit. Before we continue, don't forget to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe, if this video helped you, because in that way you support my channel. And now we are moving to our video. Okay. First go to Start icon. Left click on it, and select Settings. Here select this option, Network and Internet. Here you can see current network you are connected to. To set limit, click on Data Usage option. Down here you can see what apps on your PC use most of your data. So you can also control your data usage by stopping certain app from using your data if that is not necessary. As you see, I am connected to my mobile phone over hotspot, and using my mobile network on my laptop. Here you can choose network on which you want to set data limit. If that is Ethernet, then select it. In my case that will be Wi-Fi option. Now click on Enter Limit option. Here you can select limit type. Do you want to be reset monthly, one time or unlimited? Select desired option, and here select date when will your plan reset. And finally, here input amount of data you want to set limit. You can select it in megabytes or gigabytes. Let's say I have 10 gigabytes plan on my mobile phone. Then I will select gigabytes option and here I will type 9. Just in case the measurements are not 100% correct. When you select desired options in this window, click on Save button and you are all done. You have set your data limit. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.